sustainability is becoming important perspective in development at global level. SRM Institute of Science and Technology is glad to participate in the 6th International Workshop on UV Green Metric World University Ranking with the theme Water Sustainability. Welcome to SRM Institute of Science and Technology. SRM is a top-ranked deemed to be university located at Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. It is a multidisciplinary and multi-faculty campus, over 52,000 plus students, international students from 70 plus countries, 3,200 plus faculties with 200 plus internationally recognized, 500 plus corporate relationship and 200 plus academic MOUs. SRM is ranked A++ accredited by National Assessment and Accreditation Council, Government of India. Has received 300 plus research grants worth 20 million USD. As Thirukural sayings, "Neerindri amayadu ulagu," meaning no life on earth without water. SRM has planned and executed to conserve water in many ways. Awards and trophies won by SRM students and faculties participated at various events held around the globe. A 30 RO purification plant has been set up at various locations within the campus. Quality drinking water is provided to all staffs and faculties within the campus. In addition, RO water is also supplied to hostel mess for cooking purpose. Maximum output capacity is 2000 liters per hour and works for 8 to 10 hours per day. Three sea-based treatment plant has been set up in SRM IST campus. Average waste water generated in the campus is around 4,600 cubic meter, out of which 4,140 cubic meter water has been treated. The quality of the treated water is monitored by certified operators. Ultrafiltration unit installed within the campus. The treated water is used for watering the gardens and vehicle washing. Green SRM campus. Urban Farm Center at SRM Institute of Science and Technology. SRM IST has implemented Schaeffler-based concentrated system for cooking application. 37 Schaeffler parabolic concentrators with 16 meter squared reflecting area has been installed at hostel mess building. The average steam generated per day is 1500 kg. The total plant area is 1800 meter squared. Solar steam generator plant layout. Certificate of Appreciation issued by Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, Government of India. The generated steam used for cooking purposes. Rooftop rainwater harvesting is integrated with all the buildings within the campus. The rainwater drains and runoff from rooftops are diverted into the pits to recharge the groundwater level. The total storage capacity of the pits is around 2100 cubic meter. As a part of Green Initiative, SRM has harvested 1.2 million liters of rainwater. Our goal is to achieve harvesting 2 million liters of rainwater by the end of 2022. SRM has reduced 5% of total LPG consumption using solar steam generator. %90 of the wastewater generated is recycled and we aim to attain zero discharge. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to participate in the 6th International Workshop on UI Green Metric World University Ranking 2020.